Is it Clint? Oh, hey, we're on. Hey guys, as you can tell, we're not real serious.
Welcome to Glorious Day Adventures,
Yes.
to our channel. We like to have fun.
We do. And so a little about us. We're in the middle of about an 8-mile hike, walk, and we realized what a great opportunity to stop, enjoy a glorious day, and tell you guys a little bit about ourselves. So, Glorious Day Adventures.
Darn deer fly.
Deer flies.
You like me too
Hate those
much.
deer flies.
Go ahead, sorry.
So we're almost empty nesters. Our kids are pretty much grown. In a couple of years, we'll be moving out, doing their own thing. And fortunately, a few years ago, we realized that was going to happen. And so we really started to focus on spending time just as a couple, out enjoying life, doing things, variety is the spice of life. So we've been into lots of different things over the last few years. Obstacle course running,
Hiking, paddleboard,
trail running,
camping,
yeah, just a lot of different things.
There's other stuff.
No hang gliding.
Oh, did we say hammock?
We didn't say hammock camping.
camping.
Oh, I love hammock camping. Yes. So Glorious Day Adventures is really just kind of chronicling all the time we spend outside doing the things that we love, and hoping maybe that we inspire some people to do the same thing. So if you watch one of our videos and you're interested or you have questions, just leave a comment, a question, and we'll be happy to answer it. It's just about being outside, doing our thing, having a good time together, and hopefully inspiring some people to do the same thing. And it really is a glorious day, so get outside and enjoy it.
Yeah, and please subscribe to the channel, like right now.
Right now.
Like go hit that subscribe button and watch our fun videos, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.
Say bye.
Bye.